Discover India's top acting schools and workshops. Unlock your potential in the world of acting. A solid foundation in acting can significantly boost your career. Acting schools and workshops provide the necessary training, skills, and exposure to succeed in the competitive industry. India offers a variety of prestigious institutions and workshops that cater to different needs and budgets. Renowned acting schools in India: Film and Television Institute of India (FTII), Pune, one of the most prestigious institutions offering courses in acting, direction, and other aspects of filmmaking. National School of Drama (NSD), Delhi, known for its comprehensive training programs and illustrious alumni. NSD focuses on theater and stage acting. Short-term workshops versus long-term courses. Short-term workshops, ideal for beginners or those looking to refine specific skills. They are usually intensive and cover a particular aspect of acting. Workshops like The Actor's Truth conducted by Mr. Saurabh Sachdeva and another workshop conducted by Mr. Neeraj Kavi are examples. Long-term courses provide comprehensive training and a deeper understanding of acting. They often include modules on voice modulation, movement, character analysis, and improvisation. The rise of online acting courses. With the rise of digital platforms, many acting courses are now available online. Websites like Masterclass, Coursera, and Udemy offer courses taught by renowned actors and industry professionals. These courses provide flexibility and can be a good supplement to traditional training. Alumni success stories, highlighting successful actors who have graduated from these institutions, can be incredibly inspiring. For instance, Naziruddin Shah NSD, Rajkumar Rao FTI, and Deepika Padukone and Nupamkar's actor prepares are shining examples of how formal training can pave the way to stardom. Tips for aspiring actors: choosing the right school or workshop. Research. Look into the curriculum, faculty, and alumni of the school or workshop. Read reviews and testimonials from former students. If possible, visit the institution to get a feel of the environment and facilities. Talk to current students and faculty to understand their experiences. Budget. Consider the cost of the course and see if it fits within your budget. Look for scholarships or financial aid options if available. Choosing the right acting school or workshop can be a game changer in your acting career. Take the time to research, visit, and assess your options to find the best fit for your aspirations and needs. Happy acting! Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Hit that subscribe button and bell icon for more updates. Stay tuned for more great content. See you in the next video.